The death penalty has taken center stage at the state capitol today. Some lawmakers want to limit who can be sentenced to die for a crime. KVU's Terry Gruca is here now with the reasons why. Terry?
Tyler, the state representative Harold Dutton from Houston wants to limit the reach of the death penalty. He held a news conference today in the House Speaker's committee room, surrounded by family members whose loved ones were on death row. Dutton announced he's filed a bill that would prevent someone who didn't actually commit murder from being sentenced to death. Right now, under the so-called Texas law of parties, someone can get the death penalty even if they didn't commit murder, but helped in some way or didn't stop the crime. Representative Dutton says under the law, at least 12 people, possibly as many as 20, have been executed.
Somewhere along in the 80s, we had a person who was given the death penalty, who did not kill the person and had no intention to kill, but they were on death row, and the person who actually did the killing had already been released from a Texas prison. That is absolutely unacceptable and intentional.
Several family members spoke in favor of this bill, including the family of Kenneth Foster. Foster was an accomplice in a murder, but he didn't actually pull the trigger. He was within days of being executed when a judge decided he shouldn't be put to death. People in favor of the law of parties argue that criminals who don't kill can be just as responsible for not stopping a death. Representative Dutton's bill is currently in committee. It is unclear whether there is enough support for it to pass. Olga?
All right, Terry, thank you.
14 Texas Associated Press Awards, 7 Murrow Awards, 3 Emmy Awards, 1 commitment to excellence. From daybreak to the night feed, it's news you can trust. Now in high definition. We're KVUE, Austin's news station.